It's done, guys. The concrete's poured. I'm a little less stressed on this house build now. Tilting walls up, putting stuff in, interior walls, wiring, inside plumbing. All the rest of that is pretty not easy for me, but I don't stress over it. I know how to do it. This concrete slab, making sure everything went good, making sure it got poured, making sure the color got put in. I don't think I slept hardly at all last night. Woke up finally probably around 4:30. They were scheduled to be here with concrete at 6, so I think he showed up around 5:15. Got up, got this thing going. 2 people, a dad and a daughter, and then the guy running the pump. Got this thing poured out, screeded it off, and leveled out. You do see a little bit of splotchiness, and that's concrete. 2 things I know about concrete. Number 1, it's never gonna dry a uniform color. Number 2, it's always gonna crack somewhere. So if you're pouring a big slab of concrete, expect it to crack and expect it to not be 100% uniform. Concrete is just, it's that way. It's never gonna be perfect. But we've got a tint in it, and in amongst from the pouring it till troweling it off until the final trowel, it must have changed lighter and darker in color like 4 or 5 times. I'm hoping that these game cams and the little bit of video I got before is going to show some of that. It's going to be kind of a toss-up. We don't really know exactly what we're going to end up with until about a week from now is when this is going to be what they consider set to what it's going to be. The color and everything until then is probably going to change 3 or 4 times, and we'll leave it up in the air, whatever comes around. It does look a lot better than just plain gray concrete. Plain gray concrete, multicolored, splotchy. I like this a lot better, and the tint wasn't that much more. I think half of the tint I bought is still down there. We only needed 2 trucks with tint in it. I bought enough to tint 4. So I've got plenty of tint to do walkways, patios, whatever I need to get done around here. I've also got, between the game cam at that end and the game cam at this end, I took the SD cards out of them last night, took them into the computer, put all the pictures on the computer, and then I brought the cards back out and put them back in the game cams. Not including all the pictures that they took today, which I have no idea how many that is. I have 18,000 pictures to go through to make a time lapse of this up until now. I would guess they've probably got maybe another 1,000 pictures between the 2 of them. So I'll probably have about 19,000 pictures to go through. And I'm gonna put that time lapse out because I don't wanna wait till the end of this house build to make a time lapse video. I can only imagine how many pictures that's gonna be, and I'm not gonna wanna do it, not with that many. So I'll get the time lapse done and I'll stick that out as a video. I don't know how long it'll be or how long it'll take me to go through all those pictures. The greenhouse time lapse, I think I had 4,500 pictures to go through. That was 1 game cam, and for some reason it just didn't take as many pictures as that game cam up there. Took 3 times more pictures as a game cam down here. Difference in game cams, maybe the way the sun sets, flashing in the lens of it. Most of the pictures look pretty good. If some of the pictures are kind of washed out up here, I can take the pictures from down there from that same time period and fit them in. So we'll see what we can do with the time-lapse video, get all the way to this point, and I'll post that up there for you. For now, I think I'm gonna go in and take a little bit more of a nap. I got a little bit of nap put in, but I wanted to come out here and get this video going so I can get this video up tonight, and you guys will be caught up to date. Until next time, guys, go make something.